Hey there, I'm Angie Birmingham, nature nerd, camera lover, and founder of Sharpshooter Photos. We are a nonprofit and we are on a mission to get kids outside and behind a camera to connect with nature. It's completely free, yes, $0, thanks to our generous donors and grants that we receive for our mission. But let me tell you, this isn't your average photography class. We go wild, literally. Our students explore private ranches, wildlife preserves, and local natural spaces, guided by a dream team of experts, master photographers, certified master naturalists, and wildlife biologists. Yes, we teach shutter speed and composition, but more importantly, we teach kids to see the natural world, understand it, and care about protecting it. Through hands-on lessons in the field, students learn how to tell a story that matters about wildlife, ecosystems, and why conservation isn't just important, it's essential. Need gear? We've got it. Cameras, lenses, memory cards. If your student is ready to learn, well, we'll make sure they're ready to be out in the field photographing nature. At Sharpshooter Photos, we're not just building photographers, we're growing a new generation of storytellers, nature lovers, and conservation champions. Sound like your kind of adventure? Want to sponsor a student or donate some gear? That's awesome. Know a kid who might love this? Well, let's get them behind a lens. Want to help us protect the planet one photo at a time? We'd love your support. So visit our website to learn more about us, because when a kid falls in love with nature through a camera lens, they learn to protect it for life. Let's get those kids behind a lens.